The other concerning development is the election of Jay Jones as Attorney General of Virginia. If you're not familiar, this is concerning because leaked text messages exposed Jones to be a violent extremist. In these texts, he talks about murdering his political opposition and hoping for the deaths of their children to advance his political agenda. Beyond this kind of behavior simply raising the political temperature in this country, it causes two significant problems. First, it at least creates the perception, if not actually being an instance, of the ideological weaponization of government institutions against the American people. This is one of the most significant sources of instability in the political variable, as this manner of conduct sets the conditions to meet the standards set forth by the Supreme Court in the case Luther v. Borden for the circumstances that legitimate violent political self-defense. But that's a big enough topic that it'll need to be its own separate video. The other significant issue generated by this conduct is the further erosion of the perception of legitimacy of public institutions. Though the people's trust in government has been generally declining since the Johnson administration on the heels of the Kennedy assassination, it bottomed out, again, roughly 15 years ago at approximately 20% and has remained relatively unchanged since. This data clearly illustrates the need for sweeping governmental reform, but tragically enough, such low trust means that no person or entity is trusted enough to enact the needed reforms. And behavior like Jones's, especially in a position of public trust like Attorney General, just further exacerbates that lack of trust, further driving the associated instability, and further slowing or preventing the needed reforms.